Is the N55 a reliable engine? Now, some people think the N55 is just like the N54, but that is not the case. I've had this car for 3 years, almost 4 now, and I haven't had a single issue with this car. A few oil leaks here and there, but that's about it. Now, keep in mind, I've had high setting Burble tunes on this car, flame tunes, everything you can imagine on this car, and still no issues. Now, I really wouldn't consider an oil leak being an issue. It's just like a problematic thing. It happens to all vehicles, but yeah, the N55 is reliable. It definitely is more reliable than the N54, that's a fact. So if you guys are in the market to get an N55, I'd suggest doing it.